that's me. इनका खाना मेरा खाना सेम है, मैं सेम खाती हूँ रोज. I'm going so yeah, it's me. Yeah, sorry.
वुफ वुफ हेलो एंड वेलकम टू परफेक्ट टेल्स. मैं हूँ पूजा नवाते और आज मैं आ पहुँची हूँ ओ माई डॉग पेफे. एंड यू नो व्हाट, आज मेरे साथ है ये स्टार किड अदा की राधा. हेलो राधा, और शुड आई से म्याऊ म्याऊ. वेल राधा इतनी प्यारी है और इतनी क्यूट है, लेकिन यू नो व्हाट, राधा के साथ आज अदा भी है हमारे साथ. हाय अदा एंड वेलकम टू परफेक्ट टेल्स बाय फिल्मी ज्ञान.
Thank you, thank you. I think this is going to be the most fun interview.
है ना?
मेरा
Are you
अभी
all
तक-
set to have like awesome time with
Yes.
all these cute puppies?
Yes, I wish अभी मेरे 10 हाथ होते because I feel कि I want to play with all of them simultaneously. You know, so cute.
Oh my god. Ada, are you a
Yes.
cat person or a dog person?
I'm an animal person. Lizards, crocodiles, snakes also सब.
Absolutely.
मैं,
हमने
हाँ.
देखा है सोशल मीडिया पे,
मैं
बटरफ्लाई
discriminate
से
नहीं
लेके
करती हूँ.
वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल से लेके आप सारे एनिमल्स के साथ, बर्ड्स के साथ, इंसेक्ट्स के साथ इतना फ्रेंडली होते हो.
हाँ,
कैसे,
अगर,
मतलब कब से ये शुरुआत हुई ये एनिमल लव?
I think पैदाइशी से I think.
बट मैंने आपको बहुत सारे एनिमल्स के साथ देखा है. ऐसा कौन सा एनिमल है जो एक्चुअल में यू वांट टू फॉस्टर एज अ पेट वाइल्ड लाइफ में?
Wildlife में no animal. I think it's just wrong to
है ना?
keep wildlife at home.
Correct.
I think बहुत like it's just so
Absolutely.
wrong. It's a crime.
It's
आप
unethical.
नहीं रख सकते.
It's not just
नहीं.
wrong, it's
And,
unethical.
अगर आपने मुझे कोई wildlife के साथ देखा है, like suppose elephant के साथ देखा है, मैं जाके जंगल में उसे तंग नहीं कर रही हूँ. I went to a center जहाँ पे injured elephants थे जो लाइक सर्कसेस में एक का पीठ टूटा हुआ था.
हाँ.
वो सर्कस राइड्स में ना
हाँ.
सर्कसेस में उसका एक का वो ट्रंक टस्क निकाले गए थे और
बाप रे.
उसकी बेबी को किडनैप किया गया. तो इट्स नॉट दैट मैं उनके घर वाइल्ड लाइफ में चली गई और मैं ये कर रही हूँ. आई थिंक वाइल्ड लाइफ को घर पे आप मत रखो बिकॉज दैट्स जस्ट रॉन्ग.
That's actually wrong.
That's
बहुत
actually-
बुरा भी फील
नहीं,
होता है.
that's just
In
not
fact, I am not even in the favor of breeding. These
Yes,
are all
that's
pets
awful.
that we
That's
see
awful.
are for adoption.
Yes.
I love this place, My Dog Cafe, because they don't support breeding, not at all.
Oh, you all don't support breeding? That's very
No,
cool.
not
That
at
is
all.
very, very cool.
And that is why I've got you to
That's
this
very
place.
cool.
And this so many pets over here are out for adoption also. They need a home. So anybody who's
Oh,
watching
yeah,
this
anyone
interview,
who's watching, yeah, please adopt.
Please
That's the other
adopt.
thing because
Please.
there are so many and they
Yeah.
are so loving and
absolutely.
yeah, that breeding thing is another thing if we get into it. The
we'll need
breeding
another
industry, yeah, we'll
episode.
need another.
But yeah, we were talking about Radha.
Yes, how Radha came in.
Yeah.
Radha actually came in as a joke. तो
Really?
हाँ, because हर इंटरव्यू में लोग मुझे नेपोटिज्म पूछते थे.
हाँ.
And मेरे पास जवाब नहीं था and then मैं वो नॉर्मल आंसर्स देती थी जो लोग you know like हाँ, if you're talented you will definitely get work and there's nothing else, it just depends on your talent. Then I said कितना झूठ बोलूँ कब तक. तो एज ए जोक आई सेड अगर मैं एक बिल्ली रखूँ एंड इट्स अदा शर्मा's बिल्ली तो यू नो लेट्स सी कि वो बिल्ली फेमस होती है या
हाँ.
नहीं. बट रियल बिल्ली मैं खुद अपने घर पे नहीं रखती हूँ बिकॉज आई ट्रैवल टू मच सो इट्स नॉट फेयर टू
Yeah, of
एन
course.
एनिमल आई थिंक एट होम. But then I said instead of keeping a cat, let me keep a pillow and then see कि अगर वो pillow अभी वो pillow के verified
अकाउंट है,
Instagram
इनके भी
account,
फॉलोवर्स इतने
हाँ,
ज़्यादा है और इनके
followers
बायो में भी लिखा है स्टार किड.
हाँ
और
बहुत
यहाँ पर
talented है
मैं
ये.
टैलेंट के वजह से हूँ. अदर एनिमल
Other than
किसी से
animals,
प्यार हुआ है?
of course
ऐसे
प्यार हुआ है.
अनकंडीशनल वाला.
हाँ, आई वुड लाइक टू थिंक मैं जब भी प्यार करती हूँ तो अनकंडीशनल ही है बट आई थिंक ह्यूमंस का थोड़ा कंडीशनल तो होता है. मैं ट्राई करती हूँ जितना अनकंडीशनल हो. जितना आप अनकंडीशनल करो उतना ज़्यादा आप खुश रहते हो आई फील.
वो तो है.
तो मे बी मेरे सेल्फिशनेस के लिए मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि अनकंडीशनल करो. इट्स सो नाइस ना टू जस्ट कि आप
या
प्यार करो तो बिना
सेल्फलेसली करो.
हाँ रख के तो हाँ, मैं यूजुअली जब करती हूँ तो मुझे नहीं आता है कोई भी चीज़ लाइफ में। अगर मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ मुझे हाफ करने नहीं आता है, आधा।
आधा
सॉरी हाँ, मेरे बाल मेरे मुंह मेरे बाल ही हैं डॉगीज के नहीं है। बट हाँ, मुझे हाफ करने नहीं आता है, सो आई ईदर नो हाउ टू लाइक फुल्ली डू इट और
Love
लाइक
it?
नॉट एट
पूरी तरीके से
यू
प्यार।
कांट ईट माय हेयर यार।
So we have this fun segment.
What's this fun? Don't ask me hashtags about actors.
No,
हाँ?
hashtag
Okay.
नहीं है.
हाँ, ठीक है,
Then
then कुछ भी और।
animal related है,
Amazing.
but actors
जो-
भी है involved.
Oh my
इसका
God.
नाम है Bollywood Wildlife.
I have to name people as actors. ये नहीं।
Spirit animal. उनका
Then you'll say अदा शर्मा ने बुलाया या ये एक्टर को बिल्ली, अदा शर्मा ने बुलाया ये एक्टर को गधा। So ऐसे नहीं होता है यार, ऐसे नहीं
पर
इंसान।
अच्छे क्वालिटीज भी तो होते हैं, जैसे सलमान खान को शेर बुलाते हैं, बॉलीवुड का
अच्छा,
शेर
अच्छा है,
है ना।
okay.
शाहरुख खान को जैसे आउल बुला सकते हैं
आउल क्यों?
क्योंकि वो रात में सोते
अच्छा,
नहीं
okay,
हैं।
हाँ।
तो अच्छी
Okay.
बातें भी बोल। लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई, जिसको
Okay,
आपको
sure.
स्किप करना है यू कैन से स्किप,
Okay.
ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट शाहरुख, ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज शाहरुख खान।
Since you said owl, I'm going to just stick with owl. So if anyone wants to get into trouble, it's Pooja's fault.
मुझे
उन्होंने
पता
owl
था
कहा।
कॉपी पेस्ट। ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज सलमान खान।
Since आपने बोला शेर, मैं just stick करने वाली हूँ with शेर.
टाइगर,
Also tiger because tiger जिंदा है.
या रणबीर कपूर।
He's animal whichever he chooses to be because he's animal.
ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज उर्फी जावेद।
Ooh, chameleon.
ओह,
I mean, she
रंग
does-
बदलू गिरगिट।
In a good way, yeah, because like every day she's I wanna think of
चेंजिंग
something.
आउटफिट्स।
Changing outfits, changing.
Bringing new-
and I think reptiles are very cool, by the way. मुझे reptiles सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. I think reptiles are damn cool. Very sexy, very cool. उनके जो walks होते हैं, I find reptiles really cool.
So you find Urfi Javed very cool because she
I mean, she's
Yeah.
really working hard and she's making new stuff every day and she's killing it. Yeah, totally.
क्या बात है।
Chameleon, I think, yeah, that's a cool list. I can't think of anything.
Okay, the next one is Tripti Dimri.
Tripti Dimri was also an animal, so she can also choose whichever animal she wants to be.
Anyways, तो हमारा next segment है the Animal Orchestra.
Okay, now I have to make animal sounds of actors.
Because no animal sounds of actors.
I don't know, you'll say Salman Khan का animal आवाज कुछ बना ऐसे कोई
Birds, reptiles, insects कुछ भी हो सकता है इसके
Okay.
अंदर, ठीक है।
हाँ।
तो आपको ये पकड़ना है
हाँ,
और
और
इनका आवाज निकालना है।
okay.
Because we are expert at this.
करेंगे?
Yes.
Meethi, you'll do with me.
Okay, the first one is
Yes. Meethi? पोला बेर जाग गए.
next one.
आपने जंगल बुक देखा है?
Yes.
So the trust
हाँ.
means इंसानों ने animation का वो
Yes.
किया. But the movie you've seen, na?
Yes.
The trust in me, just in me. Yeah, I really like her. She's very sexy.
अच्छा, अगर रियल लाइफ में
Snakes are
किसी
very
को
sexy.
हिस करना हो तो किसको करोगे?
मैं वेस्ट नहीं करती हूँ अपने resources.
Wow, you're not even poisonous. You're very sweet.
I could be poisonous, but I keep my poison to myself. I'm not wasting my poison on like. इनको खेलना ना, इनको बोलो कौन.
Oh, the next
अरे
one
dog का. No? Woof. Yeah, that's me. Sorry, I had this dog thing. No, that's why. I'll not do dog. Okay?
How do you talk to doggies like rooster?
Normally just. You want the cuckoo but right? The. I'm going so. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, sorry. See,
They are getting
they
entertained.
don't like me now. They're like
No.
this weird person making weird noises. Yeah.
Come,
Come.
come. Oh,
Come.
he said no.
Blue
But you can
bill.
go with the parrot.
अरे मेरे घर पे parrots आते हैं.
Oh,
They sound like that. Yeah.
do
it's
they
odd.
talk? Because parrots generally अगर उनको सिखाते हैं तो वो बात
हाँ,
करना
मैं नहीं,
जानते
like
हैं
I said,
इंसान
wild
की तरह।
animals को मैं wild animals ही
Correct.
चाहती हूँ and वो मेरे घर पे आते हैं. मैं पिंजरे में हूँ, वो फ्री आते हैं, खाते हैं और वो चले जाते हैं like that.
राइट
I like कि
मैंने ना
इंसान
आज सुबह ही कहीं पे तो देखा पैरेट को केज किया गया था एंड आई डोंट नो आई जस्ट सडनली गेट अनॉयड एंड एंग्री
you know
looking at it
400 parrots were caught in the and they caught them in that lane thing. You saw that video, no? It's so disturbing because उनके सब बाल I'm saying feathers निकले गए थे and they had put like 40 yeah I know so bad 40 parrots into one cage and it was awful.
it is very
पर मेरे घर पे वो
disturbing
लोग फ्री आते हैं खाते हैं
ऐसे
उनको
ही होना
सनफ्लावर
चाहिए।
सीड्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो वो लोग छिलके ऐसे ऐसे खाते हैं बहुत क्यूटली ऐसे उल्टा लटकते हैं
अभी इसको जाना है
एंड हाँ ही सॉ समथिंग
अभी चेक कर लो सुसु किया है कि नहीं
हो सकता है
किया
है हाँ किसी ने सुसु किया है मेरे ऊपर
वो सलाइवा होगा सलाइवा है
हाँ
आई थिंक सलाइवा है
अलाउड है बॉडीली एनी बॉडीली फ्लूइड्स who's next
Okay.
सब लोग सो गए maybe we should also now you want to come back
मैंने वीडियो देखा था आपका
बकरी
बकरी के साथ I think you're a vegetarian, right?
I'm a pure vegetarian yes
Same here. I'm also a
Good
vegetarian.
girl.
I can't kill animal. I don't know. मुझे बहुत hurt होता है मैं जब videos भी देखती हूँ या
yeah my god I shared something on my Instagram that day yeah where you want to go you don't want to go yes
Just
क्या
talking.
चाहिए
अच्छा
क्या
इसका
चाहिए
इंटरव्यू करना है मुझे हेलो
हाँ।
आपका नाम क्या है
या क्या
What is
करना
your
है मैं
name?
हेल्प करती हूँ क्या किधर जाना है
कल Oh, they are all vegetarians.
Who's vegetarian
All the dogs are vegetarians over here.
so cool
मैंने एक बार ना मेरे बिल्ले का नाम विट्ठल रखा था
how sweet see because then you can keep you
Yeah, विठ्ठल.
exactly
Oh my God, तू किती छान भजन म्हणतेस. I saw those videos.
मला शिकवलं विठ्ठलाचं
You're so fluent in Marathi
I had
and
in school
wow, but मराठी स्कूल में होने के बावजूद कई लोगों की मराठी इतनी फ्लुएंट नहीं
मेरी
है.
higher level थी मराठी
Oh,
maybe that's why
but which is your favorite bhajan?
the I think the Ram one that we had
Can you say it?
प्रभु रामाने दर्शन द्यावे प्रभु रामाने दर्शन द्यावे गाते मुखी हरिनाम गाते मुखी हरिनाम अंतरी माझ्या रात्रन दिन तो वास करील श्रीराम 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 प्रभु श्रीराम
So, lawyer. ठीक है.
लॉयर एंड यस
तो मेरे मन में एक क्वेश्चन है
हाँ.
आप लॉयर प्ले कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
तो अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आपके हाथ में आते हैं
हाँ.
पावर्स आपके हाथ में आते हैं
अरे बाप
तो
रे,
एनिमल्स
हाँ.
के लिए कौन सा लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आप चेंज करना चाहेंगे या
वो
कुछ
मैं
नया
बोलूंगी ना
लाना
Hi,
चाहेंगे
you woken up
यस
I would like to really increase the fine or not in money wise, increase the punishment, increase the this thing on anyone who does anything bad to animals. Like it's like that rape wala law yeah for humans also.
Yeah.
I'm digressing from topic but
Okay.
वो law also I really would want yeah strong laws कि लोग एकदम डरे like हम लोग कुत्ते को अगर मारेंगे तो I don't know कोई इतना बुरा करेगा हम लोगों के साथ कि मैं थोड़ा डराना
यार,
है यार
50 rupees
लोगों को।
fine is like
Yeah,
nothing.
please, I don't know मेरे हाथ में पावर नहीं है
आप क्या
And,
रूल बनाओगे
वही
बहुत strict वाला।
बहुत strict and not a 50 rupee fine like this thing fine that people are really scared to do anything bad you can't get away with
Yeah.
this yeah all sorts of things not just
नॉट जस्ट
कुत्ते
फाइन
को मारे-
मॉनिटरी
like poaching elephant poaching for
correct.
tasks hunting killing hunting I don't know recreational hunting so many things I'd make all the laws very strong
क्या
पर मेरे
बात
हाथ में
है।
पावर नहीं है but हाँ and I don't know I hope somebody who's powerful and loves animals comes into power who can this law that would be my wish because
Superb.
yeah I'm not a very for
फिंगर्स क्रॉस लेट्स जस्ट मैनिफेस्ट
है ना?
क्योंकि मैं भी चाहती हूँ कि एनिमल्स को लेके ना स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स रेगुलेशंस हो
मुश्किल होगा अगर ह्यूमंस रूल कर रहे हैं पर मेरा मानना है कि अगले 10 साल में कॉकरोचेस रूल करेंगे I actually think cockroaches are तो आप अभी से I actually feel they take over because cockroaches are I mean they can survive earthquakes holocausts and floods and बहुत सारी चीज़ें तो I feel cockroaches take over करेंगे ऐसे मेरा मानना है
But do you know,
I'm not bothered
Oh My Dog, Pefe is world's first cafe.
World's first? No, I didn't know that. Wow.
Yeah, this is the first one.
It's very cool.
Yeah, did you like the name?
I love the name and I love the pun on it also. The beef pefe.
Pefe.
Pefe. Like
Oh
pet
my
cafe.
dog Pefe. Yeah,
Pefe,
and they have a
very
full
good.
form also. What?
It's pets, emotions, food, and everything.
Ooh,
Pets, emotions,
I
food,
didn't
and
know that.
everything.
So nice.
Absolutely. And talking about the loyalty that they hold is
That animals
we-
hold. Yeah, but we look at it in a positive way. No, he'll learn from them and we'll also become loyal and
Absolutely. You know, also talking about loyalty, you recently shifted to Sushant's home and he had a pet named Fudge,
yes.
Labrador, right? Sushant के जाने के बाद I've heard that he used to wait for him to come back and
Very animals are very smart. My crow at home waits for me. My like I said, these parrots, उनको time पता है.
Right.
They know exactly like it's lunch का time. I have a squirrel who comes home who knows like what time we eat and all and knows like 2:30
Right.
हो गया तो. Animals are very.
they just know and they're
I
so
think
attached that
yeah.
even Fudge left this world 3 years after Sushant, left. And one thing in common, I feel that he used to believe in universe. You believe in universe. He was an outsider. You are an outsider too. Uh, if I ask you that, how do you feel in that home where Sushant stayed once?
See, I am a very firm believer of you bring your vibes to a place anyway. I'm sure that house had very positive vibes also because the first time I went and I saw it, I knew that I want to live in it. And I know many media से बताया नहीं and
Right.
I didn't want to.
Right.
I don't think that's right to do. I don't know. When I moved in and all. Also, I'm someone who I really like my privacy, so I thought
Correct.
it would be
Yeah.
nice thing. I think हाँ बहुत सही लगता है मुझे वहाँ पे. The sun rises from one side, the moon rises from the other side. I watch the sunrise and the sunset.
Wow.
I really enjoy the space where I can play my music and I can dance and my mom has her mandir on one place. It's nice.
It's a positive place to
It's a
stay.
positive place. I also believe that as you bringing our vibes to a place. Like now when I have entered even this place, whether you like it or not, I have brought my vibes in, good or bad. I have come with my
agree.
vibes.
I agree.
You have come with your vibes.
True.
Whether you come with some sort of thing that you will spread to everyone. It depends if you come in with
Absolutely.
some sort of positivity or
Yeah.
some sort of negativity. Also, as a human, should be strong enough to not take if your vibes are really bad. Those are very nice. But suppose somebody's wasn't, I should be able to block out that and not take that.
Absolutely.
So as vibes, I think as a you bring your own thing to any place that you go, to all the people you meet.
Yeah, and when I saw the videos on social media, I had to think कि मैं थोड़ी सी डरपोक हूँ. तो I got that courage from you. It's the perspective that you hold within you कि जगह कोई भी हो, you can bring in your positivity like you said. क्योंकि मुझे भी डर लगता है अगर किसी घर से कुछ एसोसिएटेड चीज़ हुई हो या कुछ एक डर बैठ जाता है, right?
But उस घर में positive, like I don't know, and like you said, he's an outsider and he's done some. We should.
Amazing
I don't
work.
understand. Like I don't know. It just gets me. He's done some amazing work. He's
Yeah.
a very talented actor, and I mean MS Dhoni and Kai Po Chino वो बहुत fabulous performances है. Like क्या he's so natural
Yeah.
and he's flown into the character so well. Like he's
He,
incredible.
he,
So,
he still is one of my favorite actor. But one regret that I have in my life, I was in the industry, but I could never interview him. That's one of the regret that I have. And since you're playing a detective, only if you want to answer, because a lot of theories were out after Sushant Singh Rajput died. If given a chance, being a detective, would you try to bring out the truth?
in the show, yeah, in this Rita Sanyal show, she's somebody who's actually fighting some very big political case
Oh.
in it, and she goes to know and to get out the truth. But she's this new lawyer who's actually not got too much experience, and she's standing against these really powerful people who have political connections, who have money, who have fame, who are big lawyers, who are famous, who have never lost a case ever. And this is her first big case, and she's trying to stand with the truth. But of course, everyone's working very hard to make her fail and make sure that she doesn't find out what the truth is. And I think in anywhere all over the world, not just, I wouldn't say just our country, anywhere over the world, if you अगर आप सच बोलो तो लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है।
बिल्कुल
अगर आप औरत हो और आप सच बोलो तो लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है। I've experienced that,
ट्रू
but I still stand with the truth.
क्या बात
And I think that's the only way, because that's the only way I know.
करेक्ट
तो सच तो बोलेंगे, बट लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होगा अगर आप सच बोलोगे तो मतलब बहुत, एंड योर औरत एंड सच बोलना मतलब तो
बिल्कुल सो
कैसे किया तो वो मतलब
so may it be your character or in real life you stand by truth
in
and-
real life I
yeah.
do, because I don't know any other way. I only know this way. I've only been taught this way, and
think
you're
that's
eating my bag up. That's not your toy. Can I exchange this with you?
You
Yeah.
just actually, but that's the most beautiful way to be. Okay,
I'm going
before
to
we wind
steal
up,
my bag
we are
from
going
under
to
you.
feed them. Oh, अच्छा.
ये बेबी इतनी लॉस्ट है,
She loves you, Ada.
but she's so lost.
Ada, I hope you
Yes.
had a perfect time
I
discussing.
definitely did. I'm sorry this
Perfect
interview
tales.
didn't happen.
No, it did happen, but I hope you enjoyed.
I
कैसा
had
लगा?
lots of fun. Thank you so much. हर इंटरव्यू ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, और ऐसे आप बुलाओगे तो मैं हर इंटरव्यू करूंगी, नहीं तो मैं कुछ बहाना बना के नहीं करने वाली।
है ना, और किस किस को घर लेके जा रहे हो आप?
सबको नहीं, मैं अपना घर ये बनाने वाली हूँ। आप लोग अडॉप्ट करो तो मैं इधर रह सकती हूँ सबके साथ, है ना?
Thank you so much for your time, and
Thank
I
you
hope
so
you
much.
had a
Thank
very
you.
awesome time.
I did.
With
What,
all this
what, what,
cuteness, and all the best for your upcoming projects.
Thank you.
Keep
Please
us
watch this.
entertained, not
Yes.
just on social media, but with all your movies and
I
series and
hope so.
everything.
Yes.
And thank you so much.
Thank
okay.
you. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. आपके फैन से कुछ
Bye.
कहना चाहेंगे? Just love.
हाँ नहीं, I'm not lots of words right now, but I hope this was fun. अगर ये इंटरव्यू सही नहीं लगा तो हम दोनों बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्टेड और हमारा ध्यान कहीं और
ध्यान
ही था।
इन क्यूटीज पे
तो,
था.
हाँ।
But thank you so much for being on my show, Perfect
Yes.
Tales.
तो ये तीनों अडॉप्शन पे है, एंड दे आर सो क्यूट, मुझे सब चाहिए।
है ना?
तो हाँ प्लीज़ कोई अडॉप्ट कर लो इनको।
प्लीज इनको
They're so
प्यारा
cute.
सा घर चाहिए, और तीनों
हाँ।
इतने क्यूट है और
अगर
ट्रिपलेट्स
आप
लग
इनको
रहे हैं
अडॉप्ट
तीनों
करेंगे
को।
मैं फ्री हूँ, आदा शर्मा फ्री है।
क्या बात है, तो अगर आपको इनको अडॉप्ट करना है, प्लीज विजिट
तो
ओ माय
कर लो,
डॉग
हाँ।
कैफे
Yes.
एंड प्लीज
In
अडॉप्ट
Andheri West. This is
West.
Andheri West.
Andheri
no?
West.
Andheri West.
Oh my dog
Oh my
Pepe.
dog. Pepe.
कैफे
In Andheri West. Yes.
प्लीज इन तीनों को एक साथ लेके जाओ।
और मुझे भी साथ में आदा शर्मा मुफ्त।
ओके बाय, थैंक यू।
Bye.